Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka kendai tarik mentau nailor arzar kendai. Kinau penya jong ke college kumjo ki samla puli. Kilayo ban Rakhe pensakan mau ya ke jingdap live Snem jong ke Bhoi college. But ya kani ke jing Rakhe la pelong da ke sang Bhoi college alumni association. Rengkat ki bor penya jong ke college. Haka ni ke sing krau jong ke Bhoi college lawan isi mentalang ru da ke deputy commissioner jong ke Bhoi district ke kong RM Korba ke balalong ke kong san haka jelang. Ringkat ke jing yadon lang u principal jong ke college u professor SS Baman kinau hikai u CM barem ke HDC u ba RR Makdo u balong ru we ni kirang ba u balai dan bentalang ban sangi ke college nang ta u president ke Bhoi college alumni association u ba Carmen Yuria bat kiwe di kirang ba ke nikathan.
To gather here the parents, the pass out students of this college, the only students who study here, as well as each and every citizens of the Bhoi districts, to come together and work together for the development of this college as well as of the district. On the 30th of the month of October 2019, the governing body of the Bhoi college has passed a resolution that in the year 2020-21, the college will have to go ahead and to be assessed by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore. Because each and every college has to pass this process. Despite financial constraints, the governing body has worked together with the college to make sure that the college will be able to be assessed by this committee, and this is the first step, major step, to make this college a national college. At the same time, the second one, we have tried our level best right from the beginning of this year, academic year 2019 and 20, and we have forwarded all the documents relating to the recognitions of the University Grants Commission.
You have indeed come a long way. You have achieved and you have made a difference in the life of thousands of students. As rightly said by one of your alumni, that it has seen the light of day, and we would like to see further that you go higher and higher. We on this day recognize those individuals who have put their mind and body and soul into setting up this institution. It is indeed a momentous moment for them. My sincere wish goes to our leader, Dr. D.D. Rapam, for being one of the persons who spearheaded this institution. As you know, education is a lifelong process, and in between all that, you come to an institution and you are part of it. It's like next to your family. And therefore, today we have with us the alumni. I, on my behalf, am very glad because, you know, it happens like I've been to many schools, and it's the school where they have very good alumni who can contribute to the school, give back. You know, it's a process of giving back to this institution to which you were once part of, and to build up, to come up with ideas and how to take this institution forward and how to come up with plans sir has rightly said that you are going to be accredited by NAAC very shortly. There's a lot of things that needs to be done up. There's a lot of things like sports, other curricular activities. There's the teachers, the number of teachers present in the institution, the ratio in the classroom. There's so many things that you need to know. What are those criteria to get through the NAAC accreditation? Also, we have seen that this is one of the very oldest college in the district. We would like to also be part of it, to be part of your dream, to be part in building up